1.9% APR available equipped with factory navigation, and this is a Lexus certified vehicle, including a 3-wire 100k mile comprehensive warranty. We took care of the 30k service not required for certification, but something we do at Keys Lexus. Plus your first oil change is free. We are an Elite of Lexus dealer for many reasons. Come and experience why. The certified warranty is similar to a new car warranty. It is valid for 3 years from the date of purchase or up to 100k total vehicle miles, whichever comes first. Loaded with navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth, premium package, heated and ventilated front seats, wood trim interior, perforated leather seat upgrade, moonroof, Lexus premium audio W6 disc changer, and more. Please go to www.keyslexus.com.